You train hard, push-ups, pull-ups, squats, but the most powerful strength comes from stillness. Reshape your body, posture, control. No weights, no motion. Isometric holds transform physique through constant tension. Studies show they boost strength, lower blood pressure better than cardio. Let's begin. 4 holds, no excuses, full body lock-in. They teach control, endure the burn, build unbreakable strength. Number 1, wall sit. Wall sit. Back against wall, slide to 90-degree thighs parallel, knees over ankles. Flat back, core tight, forces full leg contraction, impact. Hold 20 to 30 seconds to start, push to 1 minute, breathe slow. Sculpts legs, builds mental toughness. More than exercise, it's discipline. Number 2, plank. Not just core, full body control. Elbows under shoulders, body straight, core glutes tight, no sagging hips. Start 30 seconds, build to 60. Add side plank for challenge. Tightens frame, solid core, better posture, skyrockets balance, strength is how well you hold. Number 3, Superman hold. Lie flat, arms forward, lift arms, chest, legs off ground. Feel lower back and glutes lock in. Hold 20 to 30 seconds. Counters slouching from sitting, strengthens spinal muscles for posture. Brutal but simple. Train the back you forget. Number 4, isometric push-up hold. Drop to push-up, lower halfway, freeze. Constant tension in chest, arms, shoulders, screams control. Start 15 seconds, build to 30. 3 to 4 sets. Builds explosive power and endurance. Precision strength in stillness. Put it together. Wall sit 3 sets 30 to 60s. Plank 3 sets 30 to 60s. Superman 3 sets 20 to 30s. Push-up hold 3 sets 15 to 30s. 3 times a week. Short sessions, intense focus. In weeks, posture improves, stability surges, strength feels different, deeper than motion. Isometrics teach control. Resist when body wants to quit. Endure burn. Build real, lasting strength, not always motion, sometimes stillness. Strength is holding firm when everything says drop. Discipline in stillness creates power that lasts. Challenge accepted. 4 holds, 10 minutes, 3 days a week. No gym needed, just you and discipline to stay still.
Train smarter, hold stronger, build strength that never breaks. Control your body, own your power.
Commit now. See the change in weeks. Hold when it counts. See you next. Stay strong.